Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, LuLu's Crafting World, and today is going to be an epic video because today I went to Learning Express, a really famous place on YouTube for slimes and fidget toys and that kind of stuff, and I got a slime because today we're going to be doing more slime reviews, which I'm really excited for. I got a slime and a glow dough rainbow, which I'm really excited to try this. This is from Dope Slimes. Dope Slime is an amazing slime company. The last one that I have opened from a slime company is Cat's Crafts. Thank you so much, Cat's Crafts, for safely bringing me that slime. Okay, so also what I have is I got boba. Boba is amazing. This is oolong milk tea. So sorry, I forgot the name. Oolong milk tea. It is at Kung Fu Tea. So if you have a Kung Fu Tea next to you, go to there and order oolong milk tea because oolong milk tea is really, really good. So if you see me drinking some of my oolong milk tea, don't ask questions. Anyways, so I really want to, let's open this one first because I am really excited to open another slime business. So let's go ahead and open this one first. So guys, I told you that I would do another one, and I got another subscriber from that. So that, from my last video doing it, so that tells me that they want more. I'm at 114 subscribers. Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, again, if you want more of this content, because I would gladly go back to Learning Express and buy more of these slimes. So it smells like a dough. There it is. Okay. Ooh. Feel it. Oh, it's like gooey. It's like ripping because it's like so solid. I'll play with it on here. Disappeared. It's like, oh. Like, I think you're supposed to, are you supposed to like rip it apart? Like, does it mix? I smell talkie dust, which I love talkies, by the way. So it's not something that I'm disgusted by. But look at it, jiggle, 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 jiggle. My money don't jiggle, jiggle, it folds. Yeah. If you know that trend, comment down below. Ugh. I don't think I really like this slime. Okay guys, so these slime videos that I'm doing, I haven't really told anybody, but the slime videos that I'm actually doing are to tell you like, oh yeah, this is a good slime, go buy it. If you see this slime at any store, glow dough, rainbow, do not buy it if you're trying to look for a buttery texture or a cloudy texture. I will start putting cloudy textures on my channel, but last time I did like a glossy texture. Now I'm doing a butter texture, so I might do a cloudy texture next time. But do not buy this slime because it's like, it doesn't really stretch and it's really jiggly. But it's like they tried to make it into a water slime, which isn't the best. No. So this is not something that I recommend somebody to get. I probably give it to like my cousin because lots of my cousins can't have slime because lots of people don't know how to play with slime. So I get why they can't have the slime. Do not buy glow dough rainbow because this is not a good product to buy. I promise you. Whoever decided to make this just isn't. Okay, now we're gonna be opening Dope Slimes. So when I open Dope Slimes, I'm gonna be asking lots of questions. I mean, not questions, but just be talking. Because I have a really good feeling this one's gonna be good. So, again, this is my second time opening from a business shop, which is gonna be really fun. But I'm really hoping that the slime is good. Sorry that to keep y'all waiting. Let's just get straight into it. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm taking the whole thing out because, oh my gosh, it smells like boba, but looks like coffee. Everything smells like boba and tastes like boba to me. I'm very crazy with boba, okay? I just say, no, but this actually smells like boba. Oh my god, and it is so good. Oh my gosh. Like, I've never felt this texture in buttery slime. Because it's like a glossy slime, but it's buttery. Okay, so what I usually do, which I haven't done on my earlier video, and I'm gonna start trying to do, is doing like the testing and everything. So, let's go ahead and test. First thing that I'm gonna test, which we've already basically tested, is the stretch. I already know this one's gonna get an A+. Oh my gosh, I think it's stretched a little too far, but if it gets stretched that far, that's really good. Like it almost like fell on the ground. This is a stretch is an A+. Now let's try bubble. I don't think the bubble's gonna get like a full A+ because buttery doesn't really do bubbles. Yeah, I didn't really do that big of a bubble, but that's good. I'm gonna give it a B+ because that was pretty good. But butter slime is not really made for bubbles, so that's okay. And now we're gonna go ahead and try the poke. So y'all can hear this. Okay, so the poke does sound pretty good, which is pretty good. So yeah, the poke gets an A+. It doesn't really make much sound, but I love how my fingers can just slowly like go through the whole slime. Like, look, it's going through the whole slime. And it's, let's try like I just did it, but let's try it again. I'm gonna put it in front of y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It like put off all the scent into my room. By the way, guys, I'm in my room. Yeah, that's my PlayStation. So now we're gonna go ahead and try the crunch, which I've already kind of tried a few times, but I'm gonna do it a certain way. Okay, that was pretty good. And they give you a decent amount of slime, like a lot of slime. Like that much slime this is like a lot of slime. And there was testers, but I want it to be like a big surprise. So now we're gonna go ahead and try, let's see what else we can try. Out with the slime. Ooh, let's do the twirl. That one's a good one. To get my twirls a certain way, this is how I do my twirls. Ta-da! Okay, that got a crunch right there. Okay, so we're just so surprised how big of a crunch it got. That gets an A++++, because that was amazing. Okay. Oh my gosh, why is it so soft? Okay, it's really, really soft. That's one thing. Okay. So sorry, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the container because I'm kind of like organizing where like I test post slimes. This one, we forgot to test. So let's go ahead and test this one. Oof. Ooh, it smells like boba. I can't even, like, it's supposed to be coffee, but it smells like boba. Okay, let's go ahead and try to test this one, which I don't even think it's gonna. Guys, we can go to about AF in this test, take slime. Let's go. I'll give it a C because it did stretch where it could. Like, it could stretch a little bit. Like, see, it doesn't really connect, but it could stretch just a little bit. So I'll give it like a C minus. Like, now it can't even go together. Okay, let's try the poke. It doesn't even poke, but it does have a sound when I poke it. So I'll give it like a C minus again because it's not the best slime. And then definitely waste your money. This was like freaking $5. So it's like 4 or 5. I don't remember. But and then let's go ahead and try the bubble. That's not gonna work. F. That was a complete F. Like, I couldn't even do anything. So let's try the twirl. No, it's just satisfying how non-satisfying this is. It's satisfying to like crush it, but then it gets everywhere. And you're just left with chunks. Okay, anyways. This slime is not okay to buy. Guys, if you're buying it for like a cousin or something, I'll see how they like it because they're babies and they don't really understand slime like we do. Like slime masters do. But this isn't a slime for like beginners to try out, just to start a slime collection. This isn't a slime for that. I'm telling you, this is not a slime for that. I'm kind of disappointed that I was like, oh yeah, it'll feel like Play-Doh. Okay, this slime is absolutely, I can't even believe how good it is. Like, I was like, I think this one's gonna be decent. It's not gonna be the best, but dope slimes, I don't even know how you make your slimes this good. Like, I'm gonna show y'all my twirl again. I'm still trying to practice catching the slime when I throw it, so don't judge me. Did you hear that crunch? It was like a slight crunch, but it was so pretty. So this is absolutely amazing. Sorry, I need a little second to sing. Sometimes I need a little second to sing. And the pokes are absolutely amazing. The stretch is amazing. The bubble's not fantastic, but it's good for a butter slime bubble. That is amazing. Oh my god, it smells amazing. This is amazing. I love how it throws so neatly. So it kind of, like, this is a good slime to practice by throwing. Oh my god, I love this so much. I can't even get over how much I love this. Like, look, guys. Yeah, guys. Okay. Anyways, I'll put it up later. But guys, I do not recommend, like, literally, because again, this is like basically like you come on my channel and you see if you see any slimes that don't slimes or PG Babes, I will come up with a PG Babe slime. I'm in the process because PG Babes always sells out, so I'm in the process of trying to buy a PG Babe slime. PG Babes is a really good company that's like really famous. If I can find any other slimes from slime businesses, I would definitely buy some and go ahead and review them for you. Or you can comment down below a slime business, a slime shop that has a slime that you're thinking about buying but don't know. I will, because I'm getting my card in the mail, so I will try to buy them, and I'll try to buy one, and I will try to put it on camera. So yeah, which guys, one thing that I'm going to tell you is you can always comment down below because a slime business, because I get so excited when I see new slime businesses, and I'm starting a new slime collection, and I'm throwing away the one that I've already got because that one is absolutely horrible, and I don't want a horrible slime in my slime collection because I want slime businesses, and I thought this one was gonna be good, but it wasn't the best. So that's fine. But you always have to try it to know. You always have to try it to know if it's good or not. So yeah, guys, comment down below any slime businesses that you are thinking about buying a slime from. And then again, my card is coming in the mail so soon, and I will try to buy a slime from that place that you told me, and check any new videos. But guys, dope slime is very, very safe to buy from. I absolutely love this slime. I am addicted with it, and it does not get hard over a while. It still does the same exact things that it's always been doing, and it's really, really good. So guys, Dope Slimes is a business that I agree to buying from because just look at it. Beautiful heaven. It feels like heaven. It feels like a heaven full of slimes. Heaven, 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 heaven. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, go down below and give this video a like. And if you want more of this slime business opening, rating, testing content, go down below. Did I mess up? Okay, guys, if you like this video, go down below and give this video a like. And if you want more of this slime business content, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that will give me a notification that you want more of these videos. And guys, I love you so much. Peace out.